And here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 8.6, which is the fabulous. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Category 3. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Location of the hotel is outstanding. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. You can use of the website and book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For more details, follow the description link. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. This channel, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming video. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends, will meet again in a new video with a new property. Be safe, be happy.